Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Roman Reigns' Universal Championship reigns. We'll explore his incredible journey to becoming a multi-time champion and the significant impact he's had on the wrestling world. His time with the Universal title has been truly historic, solidifying his place as a dominant force. Get ready to dive into the details of his impressive championship runs and how he redefined the top prize. Roman Reigns' first Universal Championship victory occurred at SummerSlam in 2018, where he finally defeated Brock Lesnar. This was a monumental win, marking a huge milestone in his career. However, his reign was unfortunately cut short. He bravely relinquished the title after 63 days due to a leukemia diagnosis, stepping away to focus on his health.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful and enjoying the content, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized throughout your busy week. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
The second, and arguably most impactful, Universal Championship reign for Roman Reigns started at Payback in 2020. He emerged victorious from a triple threat match, defeating both Bray Wyatt and Braun Strowman. This pivotal win also introduced his compelling tribal chief character, ushering in an era of unprecedented dominance and storytelling in WWE. At WrestleMania 38, Roman Reigns further cemented his legacy by becoming the undisputed WWE Universal Champion. He defeated Brock Lesnar in a highly anticipated winner-takes-all match, proudly holding both major titles. This historic achievement marked a significant moment in his career, establishing him as the undisputed top champion in all of professional wrestling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.